let's speak with Bankole Odusanya, head of fixed income at UBA. Good morning, Bankole. Tell us, what has the week been like at the markets?
Good morning. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you, Bankole. I was just asking you to tell us how the week has been at the markets.
Okay, the fixed income market is quite active and a bit on the bullish end, simply because we've had system liquidity inch up the last few weeks, and there had not been so much issuance of securities, that is Nigerian Treasury bills, FGN bonds, and OMO bills. What happened yesterday was that the OMO issuance increased compared to what we had seen in previous weeks. 134 billion was sold at for 1 year 12.75 and 11.5 for the 82 days and 160 days respectively, compared to the 40 billion that was sold last week. So some money will be taken out of the system. System liquidity yesterday was 570 billion, and a total of 200 has been sold, with just about 60 billion sold for the Nigerian Treasury bills issued by the OMO, the central bank, the DMO. The OMO was issued by the central bank, but if you look at the addition of the securities issued yesterday, just 200 billion will be going out of the system.
And the Debt Management Office is expected to raise 60 billion naira in bonds next week. What are your expectations for that auction?
Okay. At the last auction for the 2023, which was on offer, which is being reopened again, the auction stopped at 10%. We expect this yield to depress to about 9% levels. The 2035 15 years also ended at 12.5, the last auction in the month of March. We expect this to range around 11.5, 11.9 levels. And for the 2050, all of these being issued at 20 billion tranches, 2050 stopped at 12.98 at the last auction. We expect this to go as low as 12 in itself, because of the system liquidity I explained earlier, and the lack of so much issuance of security. There's not much security in circulation, and every week we have maturities of treasury bills, and these are two types of treasury bills: Nigerian treasury bills issued by DMO, OMO bills issued by CBN, maturing every week with fewer options for reinvestment. This month we expect 4 different coupons from four different types of bonds: 2023, 2029, 2037, and 2049 bonds have their coupon payments due. The total amount is 117 billion. These funds need to be reinvested, so we expect that there will be more demand as time goes on, and we have not seen an increase in issuance of securities yet.
Bankole Odusanya, head fixed income at UBA. Thanks for sharing your thoughts with us this morning, and do have a great weekend. And that's where we end today's program. Thank you for watching. I am Bisi Adibayo.